Ever wonder why diesel engine cylinder head rebuilding is so crucial to the life of your vehicle? Well, today we're diving headfirst into the nuts and bolts of this process, and by the end you'll understand the fundamental importance of this procedure to the longevity and performance of your diesel engine. Now imagine a cylinder head as the heart of your diesel engine. It's the component that houses vital parts such as the valves, spark plugs, and fuel injectors. Over time, like any other part, it can wear out, and that's when rebuilding comes into play. But what exactly does this process entail? Firstly, the cylinder head is removed from the engine. This is a delicate process requiring careful disassembly to prevent any damage. Once removed, it is thoroughly cleaned to remove any built-up grime or carbon deposits. This cleaning process is crucial to ensure that all the parts are visible for the next step. The second step involves inspection. The cylinder head is examined for cracks, warping, or any other signs of damage. This requires an expert eye, as some damages might not be visible to the untrained eye. After inspection comes the repair. Any defects found during the inspection are fixed. This could involve welding cracks, remachining warped surfaces, or even replacing severely damaged parts. Next, the valves and valve seats are reconditioned. They are ground and polished to ensure a perfect seal when the engine is running. This is an essential step to ensure optimum engine performance. Following this, the cylinder head is assembled. All the parts are put back together, including the valves, springs, and other components. This step requires precision to ensure that everything fits perfectly. Finally, the rebuilt cylinder head is installed back into the engine. Again, attention to detail is key here to ensure that all connections are secure and that the cylinder head is seated correctly. And there you have it, the diesel engine cylinder head rebuilding process, broken down step by step. It's a complex procedure, but one that is vital for the longevity and performance of your diesel engine. To recap, the process involves removing the cylinder head, cleaning it, inspecting it for any damage, making necessary repairs, reconditioning the valves and valve seats, assembling the components, and finally, reinstalling the cylinder head back into the engine. Each step is crucial and requires a level of expertise and precision. So next time you hear about diesel engine cylinder head rebuilding, you'll understand the intricacies of this process and why it's so crucial. It's about ensuring the heart of your diesel engine is in top shape, ready to deliver peak performance for many miles to come.